Travel hacking with points and miles is the best way to fly around the world practically for free. It's exactly how my wife and I scored $20,000 worth of flights over the past few years, including 2 upcoming long-haul flights in lie-flat business class seats, a luxury I'd never be able to pay for with cash. The problem is, figuring out how to get good deals with your points can be frustratingly complex if you don't know what you're doing. The airlines make it this way on purpose. Like when I recently attempted to transfer my points over to British Airways Avios using a limited time 15% transfer bonus, and then transfer those points over to Qatar Avios to buy those coveted Q Suites business class seats. If your eyes are glazing over, stick with me, because I discovered a nifty tool that automatically sends you stupidly cheap award flight deals with zero effort on your part. We're talking deals that cost as little as 18,000 points for round trip long haul international flights, which is nuts. To put things into perspective, I recently opened a credit card and got a sign-up bonus worth 75,000 points. So think of how many flights that this one bonus could potentially get me. If you've been following Project Untethered for a while, you know that I found some dirt cheap flights using a company called Going, which was kind enough to sponsor this video. Going is a newsletter famous for sending cheap cash flight deals to your inbox. But now they also send out cheap award flight deals that you can buy with points and miles. This is a game changer. Look how easy this is. So here's the Going dashboard, and you first need to set your departure airports here. And you can see I have mine set, and you can add more airports if you want to receive more deals. After that, you need to go to your deal settings and make sure that you have points and miles deals turned on. From there, the deals that they find from your departure airports will automatically get sent to your inbox. And here's what the deals look like. And here you can see the one that says with points. That means they're the points deals. And so here's just one example. This one goes to London, and it costs between 28 and 58,000 for a round trip flight. And you can also buy this one way as well if you need to, but I'll just show you exactly everything that they show you here, which they give you the date ranges that the deal is available with, the airlines, the points that you need to have to be able to transfer to get this deal, the routes. It says this one comes from Chicago, I think that is, and it also is good from these routes down, these airports down here. And it shows you all the dates where this deal will work, which can save you tons of time, because if you're doing this by yourself, you sometimes need to click one at a time to see the different points costs for each day, and so this alone saves you tons of time. It tells you how much the points and taxes are from the departing and return flights with the different airlines that this deal works with, and the transfer points. And what's really cool about this example here is it tells you that if you have these built points, that they're having a special promotion on one day only, where you can get a bonus when you transfer your points that will boost your points transfer by 75 to 150%. And so basically this deal is saying that you can fly one way for as little as 14,000 points if you do your transfer exactly on this day, which is something that, unless you're checking these flights and you're deep into the points travel hacking world, you wouldn't know this unless you got this email. This section is also super helpful for people who aren't travel hacking nerds and they don't know the ins and outs and all the programs, because it tells you exactly what you need to do to be able to book these flights, where you need to transfer your points from, where you need to transfer your points to, and what airlines you need to book on. Then at the end here, they even let you know of another trick that you can use. In this case, it's the excursionist perk, that if you book on United, you can actually add another destination to your trip basically for free. So they basically spell everything out for you, and so even if you know nothing about how points and miles work, you can get these awesome deals. So essentially, to easily get free flights, there's just 4 steps. First, open a credit card that offers a sign-up bonus. Bank credit cards that aren't tied specifically to one airline are the most flexible, and I'll link to the ones that I personally use below. Going's website also has great tips for choosing the right card. 2, to receive the sign-up bonus, you need to spend a certain amount of money within a certain number of months. So just use your new card to pay for all of your ordinary everyday expenses until you reach the sign-up bonus. 3, create an account with Going and keep an eye on your inbox for flight deals that interest you. And 4, when you find one, just follow the instructions in Going's email to book the flight. By following this simple strategy, you can easily save thousands of dollars on flights every year. This Going with Points feature is available for premium and elite tier members. Premium members receive all economy class deals, and elite members receive all economy, business, and first class deals. If you're sitting on a stack of points, I recommend testing it out with their 14-day free trial that I'll link to below. This will allow you to squeeze more free flights out of the points that you have, and it will save you countless hours of frustrating research. Booking just one Going deal can pay for your membership between 3 and 10 times over. That said, if you don't have any points or miles yet, or you just want to test out the waters, you can also sign up for their free forever tier. Free members receive cheap cash deals on continental US economy flights. Once you lock in your free flight, now you gotta find cheap hotels. For easy tricks to save money on hotels, like this one we paid $13 for, 1 block from the beach, watch this video next. Bye guys.